The human height detector. The aim is to use Microsoft Kinect cameras to estimate the height of humans that have been detected. My role is to implement a method of detection to find humans that the software can then measure the height of. The purpose of this project is to generate interest in STEM fields, especially any related to time-of-flight technology. George Surratt and Shane McClure have each made work towards creating systems that can fairly accurately measure the heights of detected humans. However, there were some limitations in their methods of detection. The main issue with their methods is that they do not adapt to any changes in the scene's background. This means that if an object is introduced or removed from the scene, the area where changes occur are permanently detected as objects in the foreground. Also, in order to calibrate the background reference, the area has to be completely clear. So an important question is, what sort of places will this be used in? This is a picture of the Rotorua Careers Expo. As said earlier, the purpose of this project is to generate interest in the field, especially for potential students at the uni. This is the kind of place you might consider showing off the technology to do that. As you can see in the image, there can be a lot going on in these sorts of places. Here's an image of the uni's engineering design show, same sort of thing. The method of detection is an area that could use work for the project. My goal is to implement an adaptive method of foreground detection that allows the height detection software to do its job properly. So far, I have been able to implement an adaptive method called the Gaussian mixture model, and it has been able to adapt to changes in the background and incorporate them into the model. Going forward, I intend to implement other methods of adaptive background modeling. One currently in the works is based on pose recognition. It should allow for a high degree of certainty that the object detected in the foreground is in fact a human. Also, as these methods are produced, comparisons will be made. By the end of the project, I will have produced a version of the human height detector that can run several methods of foreground object detection, and will have some form of comparative analysis for each method. Thanks for listening.